let's take a look at the cell gene. You've got this here. Now, what you've got, what we see here is those green arrows that are showing a buy signal, and it's a green arrow and it's pointing up, and it'll be on the bottom of those candles. And then at any sell signal is going to be a red arrow on the top of the candles pointing down. So buy on green, sell on red. Green arrows are buys pointing up, red arrows are pointing down, and they're sell signals. Across the board, all charts, that's the way this is. Now with these colors are their sell signals that were, okay, let me back this up. Let me rewind for a second. There's probably 10 different systems that are built into a Lightning. I think the programmer that I work with said a couple months ago there's 3,800 lines of code, and that's 2 months ago, so I know it's a lot higher. And what I have been obsessed about in trading, and even more so now that we're developing this software, is coming up with the highest quality signals that we can. And that's what I'm personally interested in, and I assume that's what, if I'm interested in that, then you'll be interested in that. So the evolution of the Lightning is I kept finding better ways to show the highest quality signals, and then my goal has graduated into fewer signals. So the thoughts that I have are, well, give me something that's fewer trades, bigger profits. That may not be your goal, and that's perfectly fine. And definitely have no judgment toward that belief or opinion. I'm teaching one of my college student daughters to trade futures. She's working on CL on a simulator, which I'm going to show you in a moment what NinjaTrader simulator looks like. It's by the way, NinjaTrader's platform is just outstanding. I mean, it's got years of development into it. This is a major league platform, just period. I mean, that's all. I can't get into it too much, just to say it's very, very good. They have a lot of features, and a few of them I'll talk about, and Justin will bring up quite a bit more. Oh, second thing I'm going to say, by the way, is if you ever have a question about how to do something, or how something with the ninjas, their support at ninjatrader.com, I'd call it world-class customer service. It's really good. You'll get an auto reply at first, and during market hours, my guess, you'll get an answer within probably 10 to 15 minutes in your email back. So don't feel, just go ahead and ask them. And of course, we have 3 customer service people here, girls, that are very responsive and on top of it. So the pursuit of getting better quality signals will continue, and the different colors for me were representation. Orange is a very frequent one, and then there's a purple. A very light purple is a slightly higher quality signal, and then there's a cyan blue. I'll try to find one. I don't see it on this stock. There's one right there. That obviously wasn't a great signal because the chart was going flat. But so there are different colors, and the latest one is this really bright pink and a real bright green, which I don't see on this particular chart. So all I can say is to you is that there's these different colors. They're very close to each other in terms of quality, but slightly higher. They're back testing just slightly better, as the purple is slightly better than orange. The cyan blue is slightly better than the purple, but there's very few of those. Okay? But the main thing for you to remember is that these color back stripes with an arrow and whether it's green or red arrow are usually very good signals. And your goal in trading is, as we saw in that survey, most of you are day traders. Your goal is to find something that's volatile, that's moving up and down, and not going flat. If it's going flat, don't trade it. I don't care what it is. That means it's got a very low chance of you making money and a very high chance of you losing money. Okay? You know, my personality, I'm very upfront. I'm a teacher. I want to help you and teach you what I've learned. I don't know how to explain it any better, but you know, I'm not, definitely not here to sugarcoat anything. You know, I really am objective. I'm sometimes a little tough on traders, you know, when they're learning. So, but with the intent of helping you, with the intent of you know, I want you guys to be successful. I want your families to thrive, and I'd like to see that happen for another generation. Okay, so when you see something volatile, you should be interested in that. And what we do in the trading room is, in fact, I'm going to drag this over. These are some comments that we had here this morning. And this is the moderators section. We're posting different ideas. And especially, you can see all these ones that I'm posting here. These are stock ideas this morning, looking at pre-market, and we're trying to identify what's moving. And what we've taught people, or at least explained to people in the trading room, is that you'll learn to see what's whether it's dropping. You're probably looking for an initial short and covering at that bottom and going long on that dead cat bounce, which should be called a reversal if you're an animal lover. But the term in trading has been around for decades, dead cat bounce. I'm not sure how it came about, but that's not my term. So let's call it a reversal for all the cat lovers. But it's something to drop and then to rebound. That's what you can make two trades on that and make good money. And that's what we're posting here. A lot of great people are in this room. You know, it's really a neat group. That's all I can tell you. It's really some great people, very talented people, I will say. So different people who are posting here. There's probably 5 of us posting, or 6, and there's these are different ideas. And so you're again looking for ideas that are moving. You're the volatility, and that's really when lightning shines. When it's flat, no heartbeat to that stock or no heartbeat to that futures forex, do not trade that. Okay? So let's show a few other things. This was obviously a long, and then what your goal is to do with lightning, in my opinion. I mean, there's a lot of ways to use this, and I see guys use it differently, and I think that's really cool. I mean, I'm not quite sure how my daughter has picked up a little different way, but she knows the side of which she's supposed to be long or short. And at the moment, she's fairly new in futures trading, and that's what she's been doing this summer. She'll keep it up all throughout the year, and I keep telling her, your goal is to widen and open up your trades to be bigger profits, because usually the new people are more nervous traders, and so they'll take profits too early. And all the old guys who've been around a long time know that your money is made when you sell this. Okay? I can't even say that. Let me repeat. You will make the most money when you learn when to sell that.